Hi, I'm attorney Hollis Logue, and many of you know that I'm an expert in estate planning. But what you may not know is I'm also an expert in food. In fact, I've been eating food nearly my entire life. And what I've learned over these nearly 40 years is that many foods have the same ingredients, but the secret is how you put these ingredients together. For example, you want to cook a waffle, or a loaf of bread, or a croissant. They all have similar ingredients: flour, water, butter, eggs. Voila, the right ingredients put together the right way produce wonderful results. Oh, I know. How'd I get those little dents in the waffle? Expert. Ingredients are important. How much of this? How much of that? A trust, a will, durable power of attorney, a healthcare directive. All estate planning attorneys have access to the same ingredients. Do you want just a cook, or do you want a master chef? Do you want a flimsy waffle or a croissant? Je suis avocat Hollis Logue. Appelez mon bureau, s'il vous plaît.